Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, maybe share with a friend. All those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, so I'm going to include a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out more information on it, see what the current price point is, see if it's on sale, all that fun stuff. But what is it? It is basically an electric wax melting warmer by a company called SALKIng. This is the box that it will come in once you have ordered it and it has arrived. Once you open up the box, everything is nice and well packaged. You are going to get the warmer itself, which we're going to go over in detail. You are going to get 2 light bulbs. So there is the one light bulb you see in here, and then you're going to get a second light bulb. These are 40-watt Edison bulbs, so they got that nice warm 2700 Kelvin temperature. It provides a great light. And then you can see the base is the thinner base type. It is the E12 base, and they do come in bubble wrap, so it is nice and protected. This also, the glass came in some styrofoam, which was well protected. So that way mine didn't come broken, but everything was well, nice and packaged. I wanted to point that out. It's also going to include basically 5 of these little they look like little cupcake holders here, but they got a wax coating on here. And the concept with these is you can heat up your wax and you can pour it into this little container here if you want that smell or aroma to go elsewhere in the house. So that's kind of what these are for. I don't really use it because this is good enough for me, but they give you these as an alternative option. Now, the warmer itself, well, let me kind of go over this. What's nice about this, once again, it's a smoke-free way of getting those aromas in your house. It basically just plugs into a standard outlet, and then it has just a standard little switch here to turn it on. The top, this is it has this like industrial modern look to it, if you look here. And then the top part, this piece comes off, and this is the little warming tray itself, which is removable, which is nice. So as you can see, it just comes off, so if you need to clean it, it's super easy to clean. I already had some wax in here. So you can kind of see here it has hardened, but this basically, the bulb heats up the metal here. This melts. What you see in here, like if you have a full wax cube, it's going to take about, I've noticed, it takes about 15 or 10 minutes so to about halfway melt, and within 20 minutes the whole thing was completely melted and you're getting those great aromas. I do want to point out, because how this works, it heats this up and the heat comes through here. So this is all hot, kind of warm to touch. So you want to make sure it's placed in the spot maybe where a child's not going to be touching it. I don't think it would burn them, but it does get hot to touching, just like any normal warmer or candle type environment. You don't want it in reach of children. But let me go ahead and plug it in so you can see here how it looks. It lights up like so. Just turn it on. Once again, you got that nice Edison look. The glass is removable, so it's easy to clean this if it gets dirty or dusty or something like that. So we'll just slide that back into place. And then this little wax warmer goes on there. And you can leave it off if you wish. You can just leave it like so that way that smell kind of wafts a little bit easier. But you can also put it back on, so you can put this little piece over here, and it has these little breathe holes that will allow the smell to kind of come out. What I have right now in here is just a standard little box that I picked up by Febreze, but it will work with basically any type of wax melter. It works great with the soy ones, but it works, I've noticed it works with, I've not found any that it doesn't melt, so it gets warm enough to do that. But yeah, that's basically the ins and outs of this little cool warmer. So if you are looking for a wax warmer, I do recommend this, because when you look at it, you wouldn't even know it's a warmer, right? I mean, it just looks like a cool little lamp that you would have decorating your house. So the warmer part is completely hidden and concealed, which is why I kind of like it. It's you can't even tell it is a warmer itself. But yeah, if you are in the market for one, I do totally recommend it. If there was something I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, check out the link in the description to see if it's on sale, all that fun stuff. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.